This is a breakout party, so it's basically to end the year for you. Okay, so 5 ukamaya. Consistent A or far.
Bruh.
Morning SV squad, welcome back to another video. You guys are getting so used to me starting off these videos, and I hope that's okay with you guys. But I am off to our Samoan, Canberra and Queanbeyan youth breakout, I'm not sure. It's mainly for the youth, but all the oldies are coming as well. My parents are coming. Aussie didn't feel like coming. He said he was tired, so he's chilling at home, probably going to go to the gym soon. But I'm sure he might make an appearance later. He was playing his game when I left. So I'm just waiting for my parents at the moment. They're going to come up behind me. So there was an island theme, and there's going to be a prize for the best dress. Oh, here they come, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Victor, you come from Canberra, and we've got Canberra in the house. Put it up for Canberra in the house. Yeah. Samoa says dance. Whatever dance you know how to dance, you're going to dance. Who's going for some walla? Oh, you're super whatever okay. Who's going for?
My lord.
Whatever dance, you are going to dance. We're going to turn our feet up, and we're going to see. We want to hear you cheer. Cheer. Dance on the one way. Dance on the one way. Dance on the one way.
We're having so much fun in there. You guys having fun? Yes. Yeah, the first part is just mainly for the kids though, hey. I'm looking forward to the adult games. This is a breakout party, so it's basically to end the year for you. For the Samoan youth in Canberra and Queanbeyan. Oh, that's my song. Is it? Do you like that? Who do you want to shout out?
Go Siaosi.
So you can shout out whoever you want. Doesn't have to be Austin.
Maria. Now here, ready? One,
Oh, so cute. How's your dad, man? I haven't seen him in ages.
Oh, we're guap. Go. Hey.
Oh, is it talking to me? Oh, you want a photo or you just want a vlog? It's actually recording though.
Is it?
Yeah.
And action.
Okay. Shout out your girlfriends.
Shout out to girlfriend. This guy's looking for a missus.
Oh
I
yeah.
already have Cardi B.
Okay, so 5 kamaya
Cardi B, Cardi A.
for contestant A or Fa. Got no Facebook?
Lehigh to Lungy.
Yeah, Facebook.
On Instagram. No Facebook for me. No
Oh,
social
okay.
media.
Okay.
Your Tinder account.
What's your Gram?
Instagram. So what's CT99? Actually, my Instagram.
Shout out to Sally or T or okay, shout out to my sister. No? Okay. Let me interview you. How do you feel tonight's going so far?
So far, I've been doing a lot of fit hours, and so I've been missing out on a lot of it. And I honestly blame the MC. And
Wow.
yeah, so it's going great.
So we have a best dressed, and I feel like the bet's on Lee at the moment. This is Lily. Oh, I see you, girl.
I if I'd known you were going normal, I would have just gone.
Yeah. Oh, you look nice. Why are you wearing it? Yeah.
This is what you call a lovely princess. She's bowing before the parents, welcoming everyone, greeting everyone, as she makes her way down the runway, showing her beautiful outfit. These men, the males at the back, these are called our brothers, who are coming in support, who are warriors. There is a princess we call her Kofo. These are the histories of Samoa. As she dances, she sways and moves in such an elegant way that she tells a story with her hands and her body of what the history of Samoa is. Okay, this one will come. As she dances, she's very happy. Yes, yes, swimming in the sea. Like swimming in the sea.
Bruh.
This is what you call the island of Samoa being silly. Okay, let's stand down. No pushing like this. That means you're automatically out. all my village people for all the support. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for them. Molly, ka oi soon.
Kaya may mangongo, and makaibay. Iya, may kengkeng kamo, ikaw ay sis bebe rock ako parang, our kengkeng kamo Samoa. Ay, makaibay, and mangongo. Ready? Are you ready? Gang, come on! Oye, malo! Iya, okay, clap for Emma! Side!
Thank you. Any last words? Yeah. Any last words? Yeah.
She said I'm so price.
Oh, you know the prize now.
The prize, Tina, the Maolo prize.
Yes, clap for her. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. This has been a work in progress, and it is still a work in progress. I think it would be remiss of me if I were not to say something to acknowledge the presence of the President and the Vice President, as well as the officers of the Maftanga Tangat Samoa in Canberra and Queanbeyan, as well as the parents, our brothers and sisters who are here with us tonight. I just want to say to my kids, if I may call you my kids, I was so proud of you last night. So proud. Why don't you give yourselves a big round of applause? We can't do this without the support of the parents. Elema faina fayal me name fatino inanga gwenga fana pale ai lang sua matua. O leo titatalo atwai I matua fa mole anga iluma tupulanga. Malato polo kala me fai tau sanfo. Mana amia tato ngalu fatasi. Mai mana amia to lango. Mau na mai to walo mau to fanau. E o mai, ina ia mawhai na lato mafuta, ma le au matutua. Mole sila fia, polo kalame mo tau samfo, o le a fia aile o ina le anganu, o le a fia i fo ma le o ina ngangana Samoa, le anganga lava, ia iai lava se ava noa, ina ia mawhai ai o na o mai tupulanga, ina ia mafuta, ma ia mawhai ai o na tala noa lava lato, I mea lo oi. O lo tutupu I o lato o langa, mani whaafitauli o lato whengai, ai le mawhai o na lato talanoa I o lato mātua. Nea nganga whaamoemoe, ia iai lafi se awala, ina ia mawhai ai. O na fisosoani ie ua iai whailonga whaapitoa, I tu langa whaapena, ina ia mawhai ai o na ati na e atili tupulanga I tono tātou lau mua.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah. But it's been such a good evening, and it's timely that With these kinds of nights of celebration, we must always say to ourselves, give thanks. Firstly, we give thanks to God who made this day available. Secondly, I want to give thanks to the President of the people of Samoa in Canberra and Queanbeyan. Thank you for believing in us and providing an opportunity for us to gather together. I believe that I will not say too many words because, as Lilo Mayava has already laid the foundation, we want to acknowledge and appreciate you. Thank you very much. Next, I want to give thanks to the parents who believe in your children so much. You've even come along tonight to support us. Thank you. I want to say thank you to the Tupulanga, from the oldest, I don't know which one of us that is, all the way down to the youngest. Lastly, we cannot forget Siomako Kingaya Flow by Yakulo Swafa. Thank you so much. Your life is such an impact. You don't have biological children of your own, but your heart as a mother has brought us all together. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for wanting the best for us. When we say goodbye, because tonight is a breakup night. Olonga winga. Ole aka ko ka api. Ya ole ala la le ole a. Aya waisa mako. Nights like tonight, we also give gifts to the president of the Mafutanga of the people of Samoa in Canberra and Queanbeyan, the vice president, Lauloa Fomo, Yosumako Mealo Fafaka, Waale Baku. Oseme wa mata umafaya. Aile mafai fo in ku uasi o mako kingaya flow. Ye wa masangi langa. E gala fai kulangi e mauki o mai. Langa a o ai nga maukama. E maua. Yo le mako mea lo whawhaka wa ale ngā mo oe ki ngā. We also want to gift the Mafutanga. They have made and done so much for us and supported us. On behalf of the youth, we gift you with $1,000 already transferred to the Mafutanga's bank account. I pray that God will bless the rest of our evening tonight, and to Him be all the glory, the honor, and the power.
Amen.
So if
we are going to open this dance with the youth. We are going to allow people to go and have something to eat. I want to do this for the youth because usawarekala ufawo mo lawan mako youth. For my ole mea leo ole youth. Ang ako fire games ale kamay kilaiki makaka makukua elegi ole youth. Ay kuway mako amako ole youth. Apoy uy kalo fire youth ya o my last sibay.
Never. Get it, Sia. Wait a
Yeah.
Sorry, you're
Yeah,
moving.
actually, my wife went my way in. I'm not fucking go people who are. Yeah, but see, I have to my
Bro, Leo is moving. Yeah, mama. Let's go, Canberra.
Oh, bye bye, oh.
Aww.
Wait, bye bye, officer.
Bro, you're full on moving.
Bye bye.
Hold the double
We bye. Yeah, DJ, drop it.
I need to get out of here.
I'm not playing. Who's moving here?
Nobody. I'm just walking around vlogging, guys. Stay tuned for a vlog. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna get copyrighted for real though. You almost to survive. Get out!
Work it, girl, work it, somewhere, girl.
Hey!
Holy hot,
What the hell?
Don't breathe, Levi.
Nah.
Levi, out. Bye bye, Levi. I don't want to go right now. Up that way. Yes, up that way. Up.
Go, Lily! Get it, Lily!
Hey, up. Hey, Luma. Hey.
Oh, Daniel, you're missing out!
What? Ui. What happens if your body can't move? Get out.
No!
Wait. Michael Jackson. Hey. You out. Come on.
Stay tuned for it very, very soon.
What? Ủa cái này ăn được lấy nhau. Em nhớ không các bạn. Áo.
Je m'appelle baby, sinon je ne
Hey!
You put it out? Yeah, fine. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Yes. Mommy, your mommy is fine. I'm telling. Next one. Oui. Okay, next one.
So savage. That is so
Next
not
one.
fair.
Okay, girl. Yeah. On my over. Ui.
Molly, you can't make people laugh. No one moved. No one moved. Play again.
Excuse me.
Okay,
You are not the judge. Is anyone moving?
No.
I believe I'm the only one that moves. But
Is anyone breathing? Oh, Joey's the winner! Turn around, Joey. Joey. Okay. Joey's the winner. And everyone clap for Joey. Clap for Joey. Joey, that's your prize. She's the clapping. Yay! Clap for Joey. Okay, Joey, sit down. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Can we move that here? Somebody see. Yeah. Okay, someone let's see. Hey. What? Okay, thank you. Yeah, mobile player. Next one. What? Nếu nói em bây giờ mắt một chắc chứ mà mắt không. What? Blanky. Oh, little stitch. Play. No fine. Go play. Hey. 12 and come back. Stand. Yo, wait. Oh, Maui and Moana. Okay, ladies, young ladies, move in. So we're going to start with Oa. If you like this as the best dress, you think that this should win the vote? Cheer. Yeah, okay, Oa, stand here. Cheer if you think Moana. Thank you. Cheer if you want Deozea. Cheer if you want Jordan. Cheer if you want Blake. Cheer if you want Fanita. Hey, boleh alik team I have someone to open. Cheer if you want Lee in the African side. Cheer if you want Eliza.
Pole tato tina matua le pole tua malo lo sia. Hey, cheer me once here. Okay. Everyone, you done very well. Clap for yourself. I would like to have Moana and Sia. Everyone, you can go sit down. I think I heard the two biggest cheers was Moana and Tamaitai. Stand here. Stand here. Okay, cheer. One more time if you want Moana. If you want Sia. DJ, can we play a song? Wamalo, that's what Tamaitai, Paletua, Osia, Manu Malolo, Paletua, yeah, or Taimi name. Do a siva on the red carpet. Yeah. Yes, I was the one that told you to wear that off. Hey, we got 50-50 ka. I'm going to make a carefully. Everyone give her a clap.
All right, everybody. Now for the men and boys. Can we get a vote for Lehigh? How about James? Last but not least, Mikey. Unfortunately, we have to let the boys go. It's between the two men. Say goodbye to the boys.
For them, clap for them.
Much fun to the boys. Now for your final two contestants this evening. We have Lehigh to my right, and we have Mikey to my left. We'll start with Mikey first. All right. We still have Lehigh, all right? Can we get some cheers for Lehigh, please? Are we going to have a walk-off? DJ, I think you have to drop a beat, and these boys have to walk it off now. DJ. Yeah. And by unanimous decision, we have Lehigh.
Final Siva Lehigh. Yeah.
And
DJ,
for the final walk-off, please, DJ, for Lehigh to walk his way out.
Yes.
I am sitting under the aircon because I am so hot and sweaty at the moment.
If you guys enjoyed this video so far, I don't know how much of it I've got because it's just too long, but be sure to like this video if you do like it and subscribe. I'm kind of sad that Aussie couldn't make it tonight because we had so much fun and he truly missed out. Truly missed out. We've got some fans here. And I'm so hot and sweaty, guys. It's 10 past 10 and we're still here, just about to get ready on started on the food. And my voice, I feel like my voice is gone and I've hardly done anything, but I've been standing around, moving around, filming everything. Really sweaty, guys, but it would mean a lot to us if you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you've seen your family down here, let us know where you're watching from, viewers. If you're watching from Australia, America, Samoa. Oh my gosh, I can't even hear myself.
Hi guys! It's been fun. It's really fun.
Oh, I'm so hot. Kind of miss Aussie. Missing Aussie.
One eternity later.
This is the aftermath. Aw, many hands make light work. What a...
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Click the notification.
Okay, say it.
What's up, SB Squad? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And click the notification button.
Woo!
Down there, down there.
Oh, what a... Look, it even has requests. Okay.
Shout out to my boy, R. Kelly.
This is my contribution. Oh, this is so clever. How clever is that? Duct tape. Stuck the duct tape onto the thing, rolled it.